The blinking orange and white light on your ThinkPad docking station is an important diagnostic indicator that you should never ignore. This blinking pattern typically indicates a power or battery related issue with your setup. The most common cause is that the dock isn't providing sufficient power to charge your ThinkPad properly. Alternatively, there could be a problem with your laptop's battery itself. It's crucial to address this issue promptly to prevent potential damage to your laptop or battery. Remember, this light sequence is a diagnostic signal designed to help you identify and resolve the problem effectively. Let's walk through the essential troubleshooting steps to resolve the blinking light and power issues with your ThinkPad docking station. First, verify that the docking station's power adapter is securely connected. Check both the connection to the dock and to the power outlet. A loose connection is often the simplest cause of power issues. Next, test the power adapter in a different electrical outlet. This helps rule out problems with the original power source, such as a faulty outlet or circuit issues. Check the physical connection between your ThinkPad and the docking station. Remove the laptop completely, then reseat it firmly to ensure proper contact with all connection pins. Update your ThinkPad's BIOS and docking station drivers from the Lenovo support website. Outdated software can cause power management conflicts that result in connection issues. If the problem continues, test your ThinkPad with a different compatible power adapter. This helps determine whether the issue is with the original adapter or the docking station itself. Check your battery health using Lenovo Vantage software. A failing battery can sometimes trigger power management errors that cause docking station issues. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the issue, the docking station itself may be faulty and require professional repair or replacement. Contact Lenovo support for further assistance.